Hi.
Hello. How can I help?
I have a B&S Intek V Twin 26 horsepower on John Deere riding mower. It was surging, so I replaced plugs, oil/filter, air filter, carb and intake manifold. Wouldn't start after all that until I sprayed starter fluid in intake. Once it started, it runs wide open and doesn't respond to the throttle input. Any thoughts?
Do you know the model of your Briggs & Stratton lawn mower? How old is it?
John Deere Model D170, 2014.
How long has this been going on with your Briggs & Stratton lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
Info on what I have done in my previous entry.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
B&S motor number 44S9770001G1.
Hello, my name is. I have been a small engine mechanic with John Deere dealerships for 18 years, and hopefully I can offer you some assistance on your D170. If I understand correctly, your original problem was that the engine was surging. You replaced the carburetor and the spark plugs, and now the engine runs, but it only runs at full throttle. Is that correct?
Good morning, that is correct.
Okay. It sounds to me like you may have gotten something off on the governor linkage when you installed the new carburetor. Can you possibly send me a picture of how you have the linkages hooked up?
But probably not for a day or two.
That will be fine. I will be available anytime you are ready to continue. I really do believe there is something going on with the governor adjustment, and we can figure it out.
Like that will be fine. I will be available anytime you are ready to continue. I really do believe there is something going on with the governor adjustment, and we can figure it out. Hi Eric, let me know if you got the pics. There are 2 emails, one with 5 pics and this one. I know I connected the throttle and choke correctly. And I didn't disconnect any springs. That being said, the smaller spring doesn't have any tension on it, in fact it's loose. Joe.
Joe, I only received 2 pictures, and I can't get a good view with those. Does the choke and throttle levers move freely on the carburetor?
Customer attachment March 29, 2021 1:25 and 6 seconds p.m. Customer attachment March 29, 2021 1:25 and 34 seconds p.m. Good morning Eric. Yes, they both move freely.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.